Hi guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Animoji on your iPhone 10 guys. It's very simple. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to the iMessages app on your iPhone and tap on App Store icon, and here you go. These are all Animojis here. Okay, I'll go for the rabbit. Hi, how are you? This is UnlockBoot. As you can see, it is reading my facial expression, and whatever you do, it will just imitate you. Okay, and just let's record it. Hi, how are you? Okay, okay, so just send it and just tap on it.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, if you want to send to your friends who doesn't have an iPhone, what you can do is just tap on share.
How are you?
And then you can choose any social network app, and you can share your Animoji with your friends. You can choose WhatsApp, Facebook, WeChat, or whatever. It's very simple. You can just tap on it and you can just share with your friends. I'm just going to tap on Facebook to just show you, and you can just choose the chat your friend, and you can just send the Animoji. It's that simple. And hope you like this video guys. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel, Unlock Boot, and thank you very much, and see you next time.